Hey guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Today I am here with a very good business opportunity. So guys, if you are unemployed, you want to earn money but you are not able to do it yet, you have not got job yet, still you are looking, then I am requesting or suggesting you whatever you understand you can. So I'm just suggesting you that stop looking for job, because I am presenting you very good business ideas. You can start your own business. You can be manufacturer of the lollipops, and you can manufacture and sell these lollipops to the retailers around you, around at your home or in your whole city. So this is a very good business. You can earn a lot by doing this business. Guys, you must have eaten these lollipops in your childhood. You know the price for one lollipop is 2 rupees, and you know the cost is very low to make these lollipops. The cost for one piece around is 50 paisa, including packing. So you know, if you make one lollipop for 50 paisa and you sell it to retailer for 1.50 paisa, then you will earn margin of 1 rupee here. So you can just guess, if you make 100 lollipops in a day and if you sell for 1.50 paisa per lollipop, then how much can you earn? Just do calculation right now. You can do right. If you make 2 for 3 rupees, then 100 for 150 rupees. Okay, 2 for 3 rupees and 100 for 150 rupees. Okay, then you can earn 150 rupees in just one day by making 100 lollipops. And guys, really making it and selling it is a very easy and savvy task, you know. You can easily make 100 lollipops in just 1 hour. So you can imagine now that how much you can manufacture in just one day. And if you hire employees, then there will be so much quantity. You can be supplier of this product. This product is so much used by our children's, our countries, our cities children's. You know this well. I think you must have eaten it a lot in your childhood days. So guys, I am going to tell you now what you have to do is to just start this business. First, you have to know how to manufacture lollipop. So I am presenting here you some recipes to make. You can make yourself, or you can hire anyone, any cook to do this thing. So making it is very easy, very time saving. You can do it easily. And for packing, you just need two things. That is, the one thing is lollipop stick. You can buy from you can buy from many e-commerce sites avail these sticks, you know. So I have also given the link to buy these sticks in the description box. You can visit that link and buy these sticks. And the second thing you needed is the wrapping paper to wrap these lollipops. You're watching here in this uh, image, the lollipops are well wrapped with some shiny types of papers. You know, it's a branded packaging. If you want your own branded packaging, then you can go for printing your own wrapping paper. There will not be so much cost. It will be very low. If you don't want it, then you can just purchase wrapping papers. You can especially buy wrapping papers for lollipop for by any e-commerce site, or you can wrap these lollipops with some gift wrapping papers. You know, gift wrapping papers are really very popular for packing of chocolates and lollipops these days. So if you don't want any branded packaging, then you can use this. So guys, I am suggesting you, then you can just start it. It's not a much tough task, very easy task. You can start it doing yourself. You don't need to take any suggestion or permission from anyone. You can just I'm just suggesting you, you make 100 lollipop yourself in your home, and give it to any retailer around your home, and see that how much selling uh, will be possible of your lollipops. And the one thing I want to tell you, that please make good taste, focus on the good taste of these lollipops, because children's actually buy the things whatever they love. So if they love your lollipops, then they will buy it more. So just do it. Make some lollipops at your home and give it to the retailer around you, and see how much purchase will be possible in some days. If you see that there is good sale, then you can you can manufacture more. If your manufacturing get increased day by day, then you can hire employees for doing it. You can also give your lollipops branded packaging. And the thing depends totally on the sales. If sales get increased, then your business will definitely get increased. So don't make any delay, just stop looking for job, because there is nothing much in job. I am saying you, there is nothing much in job. Do your own business, be the owner, and earn a lot of money. So guys, i did I did whatever I should do. I'm just giving you suggestion, and the whole thing is depend on you. So I hope guys you like my suggestion, and the rest thing is depend on you. So I will meet you in my next video with some other cool information. Till then, bye bye.